Hello everyone, we are here today on the Disney Wonder to do a full cabin tour of a Category 9C Deluxe Oceanview Stateroom. This room does sleep up to 4 adults and can be a little cramped, but isn't horrible.
And this room is on the second deck, as all of the 9Cs are. It has just a single porthole instead of two like the 9D, but it's got a really nice view here from the second deck.
Let's go check it out.
So when we first come in here, over on the right, we've got a couple closets, and this is where you're going to find your life jackets. Up on the top shelf, you also have, of course, hanging space for your clothes. You've got a laundry bag if you'd like to send out for service. There's also a safe in here, and that ladder for the upper berth if you're going to use that extra bed here in the room. The other half of the closet has additional hanging space in it, and you also have more of those life jackets there. Just a lot of space here to store your luggage and clothes here in the closet. Over just past the closet, we have a small little countertop here that has some glasses for water. We have a picture on the wall of Walt and Lillian walking on deck of a cruise ship. He's got the little Mickey plush in his hand there. And then we have some drawers down below for storage. Pretty good sized drawers, pretty deep. So you've got a decent amount of storage space over here in addition to what's on the other half of the room. Over across from the closets, we have our bathrooms, and we do have a split bathroom layout with two doors here that lead to two separate areas. This half is where you're going to find your toilet and a sink. You've got some storage built into the corner over there. You have the mirror here with a small shelf, and of course you have the hand soap in here as well. There is a hair dryer in here, but there's also a second hair dryer over on the desk that we'll show you in just a minute. The other half of this bathroom is where you're going to find your tub and shower. This has a detachable shower head here in the shower, and that is the only shower head you have, but you do have a full-size tub in these particular rooms, and you have refillable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash over there on the shelf. And then the shower curtain actually has little Mickey heads in it. You can kind of see there in the right light. Over here we have a single vanity, and then down below there just a little space for storage as well as a trash can. You've got some soap and lotion and a makeup removing wipe there, as well as an outlet built into the mirror, but that is not for hair dryers. That one is over here on the desk that we'll see in just a minute. The bed in here is a queen size bed. You've got the blue bed runner there with all the different nautical elements on it, including Mickey Mouse and the Disney Cruise Line logo. There's room for storage underneath the bed. You can put your suitcases under there. And then on each side of the bed, we have a small nightstand. That nightstand has a small drawer on it. You also have a couple wall outlets on this side, and you have a lamp. And the lamp has the different Disney parks and Disney cruise ships on the map around the world, as well as some little Mickey head cutouts there on the bottom of the lamp. Over here on this other wall, we have a full-length mirror, and then across from the bed, we have additional storage space, just a couple drawers and a small cabinet down here. Again, just more places to store your clothing here in the room. We've got some artwork from Pirates of the Caribbean, a character sketch that Mark Davis did back in 1965 for Disneyland. There's a curtain here that you can divide the room in half using that curtain. It does a pretty good job of blocking out light from the porthole over there. On this side of the bed, you do have the same setup with the nightstand, except behind the phone, you'll see there's only one outlet instead of two on this half. As far as beds on the other half of the room, we have an upper berth that your stateroom host can pull down for you, and that's where that ladder comes in that they have in the closet. You also have the couch here that flips down into a twin-size daybed there. So total of 4 people here in this room, and there's not a ton of space in here, but it feels like it's enough for 4 people, at least if you have kids as a couple of those people. You've got some Disney Cruise Line artwork up here on the wall. We've got Snow White and her prince dancing, and just some different little pieces there from Disney Cruise. You also have across the room this big desk that runs the length of the room here. We've got a TV, and then above the TV just some additional storage space with the cabinets. Below the TV is where you'll find your mini fridge. It is a pretty small mini fridge, but you can fit a little bit in there. There is no freezer section in this mini fridge if you need that. And then the drawers right next to the mini fridge is where you're going to find your hair dryer, and that plugs up right over here. There's a special outlet for it there in the center, and then you have additional wall outlets here as well as a couple USB outlets up there on the top. Our mirror here has a couple lights on either side that have little Mickey heads in the top and bottom of them. And then we have a drawer here that has a few things inside like Disney Cruise Line postcard and some paper and a pen and an envelope there, as well as a little door hanger for ordering breakfast to the room. This room does have that ocean view porthole, one big porthole here on deck 2. You can see it's not a great view right now because we're in port here in Vancouver, but when you're out at sea, this is a great location to be able to sit and enjoy the view looking out over the ocean. And that's going to conclude our tour of this Category 9C Deluxe Oceanview Stateroom here on the Disney Wonder.
We hope you enjoyed that room tour. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up below and comment with any questions. We're happy to answer those.
And make sure you hit that subscribe button while you're down there. You can find tons of other room tours on all the Disney Cruise Line ships on our channel, as well as room tours at the Walt Disney World resorts and other Disney destinations around the world. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time,
we're here with the ears.